beach where the moon shines bright, I saw a girl walking in the ocean light. Her smile was warm like the morning sun. My heart started beating, my journey begun. She comes from the island where the waves are free, a beautiful spirit from the deep blue sea. Long black hair and a gentle heart, from the first day I knew we'd never part. Oh, Meri belong Solwara, you make me feel alive. Your love is the reason my heart can survive. Now me sawe, you stop long never belong me. Forever and always, you're my destiny. Yeah. Solwara Meri, my beautiful queen, the sweetest island girl I have ever seen. Me no in a plastic team, you hold him level penis, I will love you forever. Meri belongs Solwara. Solwara Meri, stay close to me. Together we dance beside the sea. No matter where this life may go, for you will always grow. Yeah. When the sunset falls over the ocean blue, I say a prayer thanking God for you. Through the hard times and the rainy days, I hold your hand and walk your way. You know I'm built a dream, oh Solwara Meri, oh you bring him happiness and remove my strife. From Papua New Guinea to the world we fly, our love will shine like stars in the sky. Oh Solwara Meri, listen to my song. Me by like him, you will get that time. For your love that feels so divine. Oh, Solwara